What separates you from the 1%? Is it intelligence, luck, or determination? What is it? Well, it's none of these. It's only about the mindset that they have. Let me tell you the story of Sarah, a passionate entrepreneur and owner of Green Home Essentials. She started her business from her small apartment, focusing solely on eco-friendly products. Initially, she had to go through many ups and downs, like struggling to maintain sales. Then, she came up with a brilliant strategy, hosting engaging workshops to educate her community about sustainable living. Her enthusiasm alone drew crowds and started building trust and loyalty. As her reputation grew, so did her business. Sarah noticed this opportunity, reinvested her profits, expanded her product line, and collaborated with local artisans. Eventually, Green Home Essentials, which started from a small apartment with a growing mindset, became a beloved brand known nationwide, inspiring many to adopt eco-friendly practices. Through her determination, Sarah showed that one person can truly spark a movement and make a difference. Now, how to be like Sarah? Or, if we put it another way, how do you develop the mindset of the 1%? In this video, I'm going to give you 3 essential traits that all billionaires and millionaires have, which are necessary for your journey. Number 1, growth mindset. This mindset is crucial for success in today's rapidly changing world. A person with a growth mindset might see a job loss as an opportunity to acquire new skills or start their own business. In contrast, someone with a fixed mindset might view a job loss as a personal failure and give up on their career goals. So the next time you face challenges, see them as opportunities for growth. Number 2, goal-oriented. You need to have a clear vision of your goals and develop a strategic plan so you can stay focused and motivated on your journey to becoming the 1%. If you're unable to stay focused, no worries. Go check out our video on unraveling the secret of everlasting self-discipline that millionaires use. Coming back to this, having a clear vision will help you make informed decisions and allocate resources effectively. Take Elon Musk, for example. He has set great ambitions and clear goals for his companies, such as colonizing Mars and revolutionizing transportation with electric vehicles. Not only has he set goals, but he has also developed detailed plans to achieve them and made significant progress toward realizing them. Musk's goal-oriented mindset has allowed him to overcome numerous challenges and achieve extraordinary success. Number 3, risk-taking. All right, now listen to me very carefully. This is the step where 99% of you will fail. The thing is, you need to take risks, but not the risks everyone else is taking. You need to take calculated risks with a plan. Take Dubai, for example. 30 years ago, it was nothing but sand with no proper transportation possible. The only thing they had was oil. From that, a mere common person, Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum, came up with a genius plan, took a lot of calculated risks, and turned a country from sand into a utopia. You need to take the risk to climb Mount Everest to see how the world looks from the top.